in the Sun Sugar Farms packing room, and thank you for your purchase of the low profile pint or the quart size sustainable produce container and the new folding fixture to help you fold them faster. Typically you have to pre-fold all the creases to construct the boxes, but this fixture can cut your folding time significantly. First, let's identify all the parts to it. The thicker base is what sits on the table. The folding side is the part you open and close. This is the handle that goes into the slot. These are the wedges, and here's the size adjuster to change the fixture from holding and folding the quart to the pint. To use the fixture, set it flat like this with the base on your workspace. Lift the handle to open it all the way like I've already done. For the low profile pint, adjust the slider closer to the hinge since it's smaller. Place your container lid under the adjuster with the outside surface down. Hold the container with one hand, and with the other hand, grab the handle, close this folding side as far as you can as you're removing your hand. Lift back the folding side, and when it's perpendicular to the base, drop it in that slot of the base. With both hands, bring the bottoms of the box inside the wedges. Move your hands to the support walls next, and then bring them down carefully. Use your fingers to wrap the inside walls around the support walls. Squeeze them tight and remove your box as you lock the tabs into the bottom of the box. Now lift the handle up and pull it back to the start position so you're ready for the next box. To fold the quart boxes, move the size adjuster up to its farthest position at the edge of the base. Place the quart container's lid under it with the dull side down and the round creases up. And so that when you make it, you would open it like you're opening a book that's a story about your great produce. So put one hand near the hinge, fold with the other as you remove that first hand. Pull the folder back until it's 90 degrees to the base, and drop the handle. Lift up those bottom walls slightly more than they did for the pint. Move your hand up to folding the support walls. Then use your fingers to wrap the inside walls around the support walls. Once again, squeeze tight, locking the tabs in place as you pull out your box. Lift out the handle and return it to the start position. We like to stack the boxes in a circular levels of 10, or alternate the side that's tucked in to get a nice tall stack. You can also reverse the direction of how you fold your fixture if that makes it easier to see what you're doing. Just set the fixture up with the handle away from you. Place the box in the adjuster on the base. Hold it down as you pull the folder towards you. Lock the handle in the slot when you're at 90 degrees when you open it. Hold in the floors, hold in the support walls. Close the inner walls around them and lock the tabs. When you're done, you can hang your fixture up on the handle or from the slot. And once again, thanks for caring about the environment and daring to make a difference.